E aí, mãe?
Yaman!
Yaman! Barcelona, baby! Good morning, world. Good morning, YouTubers. So today, me, my mom, and one of my best friends are all gonna go ride bikes right now. E aí, mãe, tá preparada?
Yes.
Yeah, you ready to go?
Yes.
You sure?
Let's go. Yes.
I think you guys can tell she's ready. Look the swag. Having a little tea. Look at that. That's the good life.
Do you want?
E aí, mãe, como é que tá aí? Chazinho. Enough of that. It's time we go. Let's bounce.
I am here. Barcelona.
That's right. We're here.
Povo do Brasil, amo vocês. It's nice place. Look.
E aí, mãe?
É lindo.
Tá gostando? My mom hanging with the kid. Yeah.
Ai, é muito ruim essa porra.
Dá a mão, mãe. Dá a mão. Dá a mão.
Ai, essas pedras são muito ruins.
Let me see, Jules. Oh my gosh. Are we taking home? So here we have Mom at the Mediterranean Ocean. Can you believe that? Sick. Look at this. Look at that. Yay. Yay.
It's beautiful here.
How is
But
it?
I'll have another one. So good.
It's good.
It's good?
Amazing.
Very good.
Amazing.
Yo, these are all the boats are at. All the dopest boat. Before we get to the beach, I mean, we are at the beach, but then we're going to a different beach, and away there, we came across this. Yo, for real, this is the beach. Look how fun this place looks. Wow! We're about to have a great time. Basically what we are doing, we are going through like all the beaches in Barcelona. So all of them, like Barceloneta, Bargaladat, and all the other ones. I don't know the names of them right now, but that's what I'm trying to show you guys. A little bit of each and every single beach that me and my mom can reach out to today. So let's go. So Mom and I, we just stopped here in this unbelievable location to have a nice little lunch, have drinks. Mom is tired. She's been walking a lot. Her knee hurts. So we're here. Food is here. Yeah, mãe.
Ai, mas
What do you think?
good.
Very good.
Very good.
So you guys know, very good.
Very good.
Very good. Alright, so we get to eat now and go hang out on the beach a little more. I'm starving. Ah. We destroy the food. Like, we ate that we can barely move. I think she liked it. Yeah. So now we gotta go chill at the beach a little bit. Now we finally get to sit. It's 5:20 in the afternoon. We finally get to go to the beach and sit down, hang out for a little bit. I'm gonna take a walk to the beach. It's my first time touching the water today. It should be interesting. I'm so happy you guys get to do this with me. So here it is, the water. Cold. I'll share with you guys what's like this water. Super clean. Feels super fucking clean. Extremely cold. But I feel as that if you get in the water and you stay there for a little while, you probably get used to. I see people swimming over there, doing all type of things. But all the girls that are topless, their nipples are so hard. So you know it's cold. Ooh, nipple hard. So now I've got to come here and play with Jules a little bit. Jules, what's good? Are you having a good time or what?
Yeah.
There you go. So Mom and I are gonna sit here and watch the sunset together, and we'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Comment below, let you know what you guys think and what you guys want to see next. Thank you. Beijo, galera. Tchau. Tchau.